Hi everyone, welcome to GearBest. Yesterday, Xiaomi had a global launch, and if you had time to watch it, it's quite long. But the most important thing is about the 10 series. The most impressive product they did was Mi 10 and Mi 10 Pro cell phone. And my coworker who's behind the scenes, you couldn't see it right now, they gave me this hot baby in my hand and let me play with for an entire day. And I have to say, this is quite impressive. Even though I used to use iPhone all the time, this made me want to make the purchase. So I'm going to share you a little bit feelings of all the experience today. So let's take a look at the general look of this cell phone. And this is made front and back of glass, and it's aluminum frame on the side. So on the back, the only thing, and you should only focus on the thing. The thing is the camera. So as always, Xiaomi is equipped with the top 4 camera combination, gives you 100 million pixels main camera lens, and the top one saying 110 MP, and PDAF OIS is actually the wide. And ultra wide with the 13 MP 12mm together with the 2 MP macro lens and a 2 MP depth month. It just gives you a total package. I'm not going to tell you more about this because you guys are well educated with us on the last generation. So let's move on to the side. This is very smooth, and this one has a volume buttons and a lock button. But there is one thing you wouldn't and shouldn't miss is the speaker. So this has the upper and bottom speaker, and they are both true speakers with 12/16 linear speaker. It gives you a very excellent experience when you watch the videos. If you are a true Mi fan, you know how many critical comments we made about these speakers on Xiaomi product. They made a huge improvement, and this is something they could totally talk about for a whole day. And other than the look, so the screen is 6.60 inches, and it is 162 times 74 times 8.96. So the thickness is actually close to 9mm. But with the curved screen, you probably feel it's a little bit thinner, and when you move it, it's actually very smooth to move around, and it comes with 208 grams, which is actually very convenient to carry around. Other than just the overall looks, let's take a look at the screen. It's very bright, and unlock it. Oh wow, you already see this. So when we are on the front page, there is something that you couldn't, when you are on the front page, there is something you couldn't see. That is hidden, and that is a secret with this cell phone. I'm swiping it to the left. You see here is a black dot. This is your front camera. It is hidden well, right? You swipe it around and you wouldn't be able to see it. And it gives you the experience of looking at a whole big screen. So other than this, and I try to swipe it left to right, it is actually very smooth, like the butter smooth. But why is that? Because this is equipped with the AMOLED 90 Hz refresh rate and 180 Hz sampling rate. That's why it gives you the very smooth experience. So talking about all those things, let's go to the settings and see how the specs performs. Okay, we are going to click on the About Phone, and we're going to see all the specs. We call it 3 levels of acceleration. The CPU is actually Snapdragon 865, gives you a 20% increase on the general performance and 25% decrease on the power consumption, which compared to the last generation. And the GPU is quite impressive. It's Adreno 650, and the speed storage is UPS 3.0 high. As for the memory, that is something we actually have to mention here, is it is equipped with the LPDDR5. Compared to the LPDDR4, it is improved by 129%. Very, very impressive, right? And if you do have a Mi 9 right by your hand, you can just feel the difference. And with all those good numbers that I've shared you guys about, if you ever heard about the Mi fever, you probably would wonder about what if the cell phone gets really hot. But I've been watching movies and using the apps the whole day. It doesn't feel hot at all because we've already think about it. We had the eSport level cooling system and gives you a 3,000 square meter cooling area. So even if you couldn't see it, it's actually cooling down very fast. As for the battery side, it is equipped with the 4780 mAh with the 30 watts fast charger and 10 watts reverse charger. Typical but very useful. Probably everything that I could remember today to share with you guys. If there is anything that you wonder about but I didn't say, feel free to go to gearbest.com, search for Xiaomi Mi 10 and click on our page. Before you make a purchase, always remember to search for a coupon. So you guys take care and see you next time. Bye.